Food and beverage industry has a major effect of almost a third of greenhouse gas emissions. So for sure, they can clearly have an impact on sustainability by minimizing gas emissions.
For many industries, margins are tight, and the cost for current technology and sustainability is a challenge because there's a lot of energy usage in the manufacturing of the products, in the facilities where you manufacture and then store the products.
We have seen a lot of growth in the last few years working to eliminate waste from the process. One of the fundamental ways that we can help our customers with sustainability is just really asking good questions. Do we have to have all that water go to the drain? Can we put in a conductivity sensor to reclaim chemistry for CIP?
One of the key aspects of Salas O'Brien's experience is being able to marry sustainability with very established, very rigid manufacturing protocols.
We have a customer, they would use cardboard to wrap all of their 40-pound blocks. So we've implemented a solution for them where they're using reusable plastic trays to replace the cardboard. It's just worked out wonderfully for them and has been a tremendous savings.
So we can really understand the process and apply the solution for their specifics. Energy saving, metering, benchmarking, and energy help them minimize their industrial waste and product loss. This is where Salas O'Brien can have an impact.